The Watchmaker's Gift. In a quiet village nestled between rolling hills, there lived an old watchmaker named Elias. His workshop was a sanctuary of ticking clocks and gleaming tools, where time seemed to slow down just enough for him to weave magic into every piece he crafted. Elias had a gift. He could create watches that didn't just tell time. They carried memories. A young soldier's watch might glow softly with the warmth of a family hug. A mother's timepiece could chime with the laughter of a child long grown. But Elias guarded one secret closely. In the back of his shop was a small golden pocket watch unlike any other. He called it the Eternity Watch. It didn't just hold memories. It could grant the wearer one moment in their life to relive perfectly and completely. One snowy winter evening, a young woman named Clara entered the shop. Her eyes, though kind, carried the weight of years far beyond her age. She explained that her father, a once brilliant painter, had lost the spark of his craft after her mother passed. "Do you think one of your watches could remind him of better days?" Clara asked. Elias paused. "I may have just the thing," he said, retrieving the Eternity Watch. He handed it to Clara and said, "This watch can give your father one perfect moment to revisit. But remember, it's a fleeting gift. Choose the memory carefully." Clara nodded and took the watch home. That night, she gave it to her father, whispering how she hoped it would help. When her father turned the hands of the watch, the room seemed to shimmer. His eyes widened as he was transported to a warm summer day decades ago, painting by a lakeside with Clara's mother beside him. She laughed as she playfully dabbed paint on his nose, and the light danced on the water like scattered diamonds. When the moment ended, tears streaked the painter's face, but they were not tears of sorrow. They were tears of gratitude. The next day, he picked up his brushes again, his art blooming with new life, capturing not just memories, but the essence of time itself. Clara returned to the watchmaker to thank him. Elias simply smiled, his own gaze drifting towards the golden watch in her hands. "Sometimes," he said, "a moment is all we need to begin anew."